Cloud Drive Mapper is a software application that maps virtual network drives to Microsoft 365 storage, including OneDrive, Microsoft Teams, and SharePoint Online. CDM runs on Windows PCs as well as server-based VDI environments like Citrix, AVD, and VMware. While Microsoft has provided several methods for accessing the storage in its Microsoft 365 cloud platform, including by browser, apps, and a sync client. Cloud Drive Mapper exists because none of these methods are sufficient for many organizations who wish to seamlessly integrate their existing users, workflows, applications, and systems with their files. Microsoft's native methods work well in some scenarios, but they all have potentially significant drawbacks. We built CDM to help organizations better adopt their Microsoft 365 storage without having to make any compromises to the way they work, or the applications and systems they use. Cloud Drive Mapper is essentially a replacement for the OneDrive Sync client. It has some similarities to the Sync client too, and can do most of the same things. But CDM has several important differences and benefits over the native client. The two most fundamental of these are: 1. CDM uses local drives, which creates local paths that pretty much all desktop applications can open from and save data to. 2. Cloud Drive Mapper does not attempt to synchronize the entire file structure that each user has access to. CDM instead works on a real-time basis, which is more efficient, lightweight, and infinitely more scalable. This also avoids all kinds of issues around file conflicts and delays to users seeing updates from their colleagues. Together, these bring major benefits to organizations that either 1. Have a VDI environment, 2. Have shared multi-user machines, 3. Use local desktop applications, 4. Want to use SharePoint as their main file share platform, 5. Want to keep consistency and familiarity for their users when moving their files to the cloud. These are common requirements and the reason Cloud Drive Mapper is used by many thousands of organizations worldwide. Since we created CDM, however, we have come to understand this space very well. While historic versions of CDM were about filling the gaps left by the native OneDrive client, CDM is becoming a unique platform in this space with aspirations to go beyond Windows, beyond Microsoft 365, and beyond being a simple bridge to file storage. Increasingly, CDM can be seen as a middleware platform that gives organizations full control over how their users access and interact with their file storage, wherever it is. Thanks for watching.